Welcome to the future of machinery. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge technology where power meets precision, delivering groundbreaking results. Ready to experience the next level of innovation? Let's get started! Incredible! The skilled lumberjack expertly felled the towering cedar with precision and strength. It's awe-inspiring to witness how this mastery of technique and raw power brought down such a giant, showcasing nature's submission to human expertise.
Just starting to open up a bit.
Let's witness the brute force 2030 CS in action, demonstrating its high-efficiency firewood processing. This powerful machine produces 18 to 25 cubic meters of firewood per hour, with a rapid 3-second splitting cycle and a 4-second saw-to-saw time, ideal for large-scale operations. This is probably the largest log I've ever seen, measuring up to 3 meters in diameter and 20 meters in length. These massive tree trunks are transported from remote forests. Workers carefully use powerful saws to transform these colossal logs into smooth wooden boards for further processing. The CBI 6800BT may be one of the most versatile grinders I've ever seen. With 950 horsepower, it processes logs up to 32 inches in diameter and handles up to 500 tons of wood per hour, turning them into efficient mulch. This 15-inch diameter cedar tree is transformed into mulch in seconds under the powerful Precon BHP 270 grinder. With its high-torque 270 horsepower motor and carbide tip teeth, it efficiently processes trees up to 24 inches in diameter. Morris Trucking NW specializes in hauling large cedar logs up to 15 inches in diameter and 40 feet long. Their self-loading trucks, equipped with wood cranes, can carry up to 80,000 pounds, ensuring efficient log transportation. with a new twin-band mill and optimized outfeed. Improved recovery by 5% and reduced labor by eliminating 2 positions. The system now produces around 250 million board feet annually, boosting efficiency, safety, and productivity. It was impressive to see the HF800 splitter efficiently process large amounts of firewood, handling logs up to 0.5 meters in diameter. Its automatic speed shift allows machines with lower hydraulic flow to split tough materials, compatible with various carriers. Let's witness the power of this saw, designed to efficiently handle timbers up to 72 inches in diameter and 20 feet in length. It delivers precise cuts with exceptional durability and high productivity, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. The Sara KE90 is an ideal saw blade for logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter. It features a 7-meter cutting length, 75 millimeters cutting width, 18.5 kilowatts motor, and 80 millimeters saw blade. Perfect for precise, efficient log cutting in small to medium scale operations. Now, let's take a look at the John Deere 1270G. With 200 kilowatts of net power and an 8.6 meter boom reach, it's designed for efficient, high-performance harvesting, ideal for thinning and selective cutting in forestry operations. This debarker sawmill removes bark from logs before further processing, improving efficiency and protecting equipment. With a typical throughput of 30 to 60 logs per hour, it enhances wood quality and is widely used in sawmills and wood product industries. Watch the powerful LKT-81 Turbo pull a 7 cubic meter log from the forest, showcasing the impressive strength of modern technology and the skill of forestry work in action. The Bomb Shear BS-860 tree cutter efficiently handles large trimming tasks with sharp blades, minimizing tree damage and supporting recovery. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the video helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates. Keep learning with us. Until next time.